All right, here's a quick little tip on how to expand a background. And that, like, for example, in this case, I've got a picture of myself in front of a green screen and I want to expand it so that it covers the whole background. Rather than, say, taking a brush and painting with it, looks fake, right? Okay, so making sure that you've either duplicated the layer or turned off the layer lock. Grab your lasso tool. Oops. And draw a lasso around what you want to make sure it doesn't get converted. Then go to select inverse, so this way it's going to select everything around, and then right click within it, and you might want to go content aware fill. Don't actually go fill and then select your content aware and then hit OK. And there you go. See, it does a nice job of blending it in. I'm going to deselect that. And this will work as well if, let's say, I'm hitting Control T here to select this on my keyboard, and I'm just sliding the whole thing to the left. So maybe I want more space over here because I'm kind of looking off towards that side. That's fine. And you can choose your lasso tool or your rectangular marquee tool, and then select that side, and then do the same thing. Go fill, and then content aware. Just to show you what will happen if I go content aware fill first, you get this thing, which is fine. It's going to basically just tell you that what you need to do is paint so that way it knows what it wants to go in there. So this is going to be the output. But you see what I mean? It doesn't really look quite as nicely or as smooth. So I'm going to cancel that. And you can go auto as well, actually, I guess. And it does give you an auto option, and that's actually not too bad. So you can use that, or you can use what I did with the first one, which is fill, then content aware. So whichever you prefer, but that is how to get rid of that.